Paano po ba muling nabuhay ang ating Panginoon? Kanina pinag-usapan natin yung facts about the resurrection. Facts kung paano, anong klaseng katawan mayroon siya. Paano po ba nabuhay ang ating Panginoon? Number one, by the power of God. Without the power of God, without the power of the Father, hindi po muling mabubuhay ang ating Panginoong Jesus. Tingnan po natin, Acts chapter 23 verse 24. Jesus was handed over to you and you killed Him. Sabi dito, with the help of evil men, you nailed Him on the cross, but God knew all this would happen. Sabi dito ng Book of Acts, alam ng Diyos na mangyayari ito. It was His plan. Actually, it was God's plan. A plan He made long ago. Even the crucifixion and the resurrection was the plan of God. Tingnan mo sa verse 24. Jesus suffered the pain of death, but, may but, God made Him free. He raised Him from death. There was no way for death to hold Him. Sino daw ang muling nagbuhay sa ating Panginoong Hesus? Walang iba kundi ang Ama. God all knew about everything that will happen because it was part of His plan. So the question, paano siya nabuhay? Sa kapangyarihan yun ng Ama sa kapangyarihan yun ni Lord. Alam niya. Kaya niyang buhayin. So, the power of the Father is the reason why Jesus was resurrected.